Okay, welcome back to the channel. To those that are yet to subscribe, please do that. Click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. So we would be looking at natural gas for this week. Now, if you have been following this channel consistently, I usually sound this alarm that a bullish move is coming soon. Especially those of you that want to sell, you should be very, very careful that you should not go ahead and sell, especially a swing trader. You should actually try to opt out of the trade. It is not good for you to actually sell. Only those who want to scalp can go ahead and scalp, and sell. Right now, a bullish move is actually playing out, which I actually been talking about 2-3 weeks ago. Right now, and we can see this is the first impulse move I can see here. This is impulse move one, and this is a correction that has come to tap this level. So this is another impulse too. So we will continue to make that bullish move, then a correction will play out. After that, another impulse move three. So basically, we are now on an uptrend move. So position traders, swing traders, this is actually an opportunity to go ahead and take your buy. So those who are investing in natural gas stocks, you can go ahead and start taking your buy on natural gas because this is clearly a bullish move. When you take a look at your daily time frame, you see that this 10 period simple moving average with our 20 period simple moving average has just crossed, right? You can see it. That is an indication that this is actually a buy movement. So you want to go for long. This price has been trading below our 10 period and 20 period simple moving average. You can see that there was a cross here, which price was trading below our 10 period moving average with our 20 period. Now we've now had another cross that is now trading above our 10 period and our 20 period moving average. So last week we actually had a bullish move. You can see it. We closed bullish, right? This week that we are predicting for, we will be expecting or speculating for a bullish move. But before you actually go ahead and take that buy, I think a correction needs to play out. We should be very, very careful. Probably once it correct, maybe we might be getting that correction on Monday. And above all, I want you guys to know that there usually be a gap opening because once market closes on Friday and market tends to open on Monday, there used to be a gap opening. That gap opening, we can't really predict where it will actually open from. It could be probably, it can even open around this level here. We're very much likely to have that gap opening open from this level. So if in case gap opening opens from here, all we just have to do is go ahead and take that buy. But if in case gap opening open at the top here, open at probably above it, all you just have to do is wait for a correction to play out. Then you go ahead and take your buy on natural gas. Don't just take your buy, wait. Once the market opens, I'm sure a gap opening will play out. So once the gap opening plays out, then you'll be able to know, either you wait for a correction or either you take it, you know actually be able to take that trade. So above all, we can see that this price is actually trading above our 10 period and 20 period simple moving average on the 4-hour time frame. So basically, we will continue to be expecting more bullish move on natural gas. So I'll be putting a link to my Patreon channel. So if in case you are interested, in that channel, I'll be sharing high probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning. Here we might not be 100% correct, but I can show you that we are more than 60% correct on our analysis that we'll be sharing here. So this is the trade we actually had last week on that channel. You can see it February 20 to March 3. You can go back to watch it. You can see we actually had about 5 trades. One of those trades I have not pasted it here. It is actually still going to plan. So once it is actually gotten to our target, once we actually take our profit, I'm definitely going to come and put it here so you watch it. So these are some of the trades I actually took last week. You can also check the playlist on my channel. You will see the trade that we actually took last week, 2 weeks ago. I think it is February 24. I can't remember. You will see it there 2 weeks ago, right? You were able to watch it. Actually, that trade was about 9 trade. Some of those trades we actually took got to our targets. We are, most majority of our analysis that we put there actually got our profits. We are actually profiting there. So if in case you're interested, I want to give it a month trial. Sign up to our Patreon channel. Just try a month. If after a month you are not comfortable with the service, you can go ahead and cancel your subscription. Like I said, the link will be in the comment section. More trade on NASDAQ 100 will be shared here. By the way, once a better setup is being formed, I'm going to take the trade. We are going to share it there and we are going to trade it, by the way. So in case you are interested, especially if you want to trade NASDAQ 100, you are waiting for a good setup to actually profit more, then all you just have to do is sign up so you'll be able to get access to some of the trade we will be sharing there.